My beautiful and amazing people, wonders they say it shall never end oh. May God no ever allow us find ourselves for inside marriage wey be say na every eke market day family members, our loved ones go come gather to come help us dey settle matter wey be say on a normal day we suppose dey settle. My people, no be small thing o. Two-Face family don run kitikiti, dem don run katakata go meet the Esama of Benin wey be Honourable Natasha Osaiwaru Orobosa grandpapa for on top of the kind treatment wey Two-Face dey receive from Natasha in peace of mind hand. Say on their own they are tired, they don't even know what to do again. Say na that man na be their last option because the last time wey they carry case come give am, they really love the way he handle it as an elder wey im be. But the fact still remain say Natasha no dey lis ten to advice. She no dey lis ten at all. If the man talk one, she go talk 10. Una remember the last time wey dem go there concerning DNA matter, saying that the pikin wey Natasha hold say they dey suspect am, so they need to do DNA. Wey Natasha say the DNA wey she go agree make dem do na the one wey they go go do for Obodo Oyibo, and na she go dey present alongside Two-Face and im family and also her family, of which the man do im judgement to the best of his knowledge in a way wey be say e no go dey bias say because of say Natasha na im granddaughter, im go come talk in her favour. E talk am say toh, as the matter take be wey dem dey complain say money no dey, because to come convey una sef no be Nigeria wey be say even for Nigeria sef transportation from here to here e no funny. Not to come talk of say una wan travel go Obodo Oyibo for DNA. Im dey suggest now say make everybody bring a representative from his end. Say im go sponsor the two representative go Obodo Oyibo with the sample wey dem go do the DNA come back. Natasha say lie lie she no gree. At the end of the day, na so dem do the matter go, do the matter come, carry Two-Face, lock am for inside house as e say e no wan do the marriage again, e wan comot. Dem give am house arrest. E no reach, e no reach. Dem dey try to see how they go settle. They dey try to see how they go settle. Based on the love wey Natasha get for am and for say im be her peace of mind, dem later settle. They do the do. They enjoy themselves, do basmati style here and there. At the end of the day, they send Two-Face message. They still come allege say Two-Face wan run away. They still catch am, come back. All those things put together, they say Two-Face communicate am with im family because im family sef they cannot reach him directly unless na Natasha na im pick the call, and she go tell them when they go call and when not to call, when they go reach Two-Face and when not to reach Two-Face. As the thing don reach Mama Two-Face for where e reach her, na im she pack elders o go meet the Esama of Benin. Una know talk say this man no be small man. Na man wey be say people dey look up to, people respected him. The Osaiwaru Igbenidion himself, wey be say kings they dey come dobale for am. People of timber and caliber, they dey lis ten to am. E reach im granddaughter matter. Im granddaughter wan dey look am less less. Na im dey say as they reach, they come complain all the complaint to the Esama of Benin. Na im the man come say say all these things put together, this one na husband and wife matter. Normally family no suppose interfere until when the both party come up say they no wan do again. Na that time na im the family go come now say come o, wetin be the major problem, let's see how we can settle it. But now wey be say na dem wey come be Two-Face family, na dem come dey come up say e no really get wetin im wan talk. Say he will advise them that they should return back and tell Two-Face to come by himself, and also let the Natasha too follow, whether she come on her own Two-Face come on his own, make the two of them come alongside the family members, make him hear from the two side before him go judge. That is situation like this, people don't just jump into conclusion. You need to be very very careful on your decision so that you no go come mislead the person. At the end of the day, they come settle, they go dey see you as if na you be the bad person. Una don dey say what an elderly man sees while seated, you as a child, even if you climb the most highest iroko tree, you no fit ever see am. Dis same Two-Face family wey make I talk am say na karma na im dey follow dem so, and dey deserve anything at all wey dey dey get from dis Natasha case with Two-Face. Because when Annie was there, the same thing wey dey dey do so na im dey do to Annie. The same thing. So tey dem get mind come on social media, open their mouth talk am say Annie too dey nag, Annie dey pursue Two-Face brothers from visiting Two-Face, Annie no dey allow Two-Face give im mama money, Annie dis, Annie dat, at her vulnerable moment, at an hour wey be say they needed to shield her, cover her from online banter, but dey bring her out come sample her make rain beat her while she still dey for rehab, according to the information that time say na rehab she dey. Now e don be, you see say when an elder talk, you go know say this one na elder. The same thing wey dey dey do that time to Annie, wey be say they go hear from one side, they no go wan hear from the second side, they go just jump. Once Two-Face don carry im problem with Annie come discuss with dem, they go just conclude say na Annie be the problem, without not knowing say one person no go just wake up start dey craze. Na something na im go push person to wake up, start dey nag, dey complain. And what are her complain? What is that thing she's complaining about? Why not bring the both of them together? Let's see how we can solve it. But lie, na lie o. They go just talk their own based on the perspective wey dem get about Annie. And so they go say, after all, maybe I tell you say make you no marry Annie, you thought say you go marry Annie, you never see anything. That thing, that particular word now, that discouragement will get to Two-Face. Two-Face go come say, after all, my family sef no even like the Annie, abeg make I let her go. But I didn't mean they stand. Once Two-Face bring your own complaint, they go wait hear from Annie, pursue the two of them, say oya make una dey go, me and my husband too na the same thing, no one wey perfect anywhere, make una go see how una go take settle una differences. Or don't be biased, talk am as you take see am. Even if they are going to separate, make it be say you as a parent una try una best. But no, they go face to face own, just dey work on Two-Face own, they transfer their hate to Annie, making it look as if na Annie na be the only problem wey Two-Face get. Two-Face no get any other one. Now e don comot from fire, from frying pan e don enter industrial fire. If na normal fire, you know say to comot inside e dey very very easy. This one now, they say na industrial fire, according to Two-Face brother. Na Two-Face brother talk am o, no be me talk am o. E say Two-Face now don comot from frying pan enter industrial fire. No be juju be that. Now, according to Esama of Benin, e say after all the complaint put together, wey they say Two-Face say, they say, I say who say make the Two-Face come alongside the Natasha. They will also call her to come, let him hear from the both side, so that he go know whether they are actually tired of each other or they are not tired. Because sometimes you feel they see am like they don't tire, by the time they come realize their mistake, realize their self, they go back together as if nothing ever happened. So him, he's not going to say anything as an elder wey him be until the both of them come and face him. Then he will know how to come in all of this put together. Now they say Mama Two-Face come dey tell am say even now like this, they cannot access Two-Face, that they will really be happy if the Esama of Benin help them beg Natasha to even free Two-Face, make him come home, make him come relax im head small while they paddle this canoe, or make she set am free, make him dey free. Say him no be small pikin, 50 years old man, say abeg, e go really make sense. Na they say Esama of Benin say if e be, they no dey tell person, say if they don reach where e reach, they no go talk for Two-Face. Two-Face know im way, im know wetin to do. Say make dem go, make dem rest and allow the both of dem make their decision. Na im dey say Mama Two-Face say lai lai oo, say her son dey kpai dey go so. Say abeg, she no go allow the matter to be. She no go wait make e be first before she go take action. Say abeg oo, she know wetin she dey talk. Abeg, make dem call Natasha. Make dem help her call Natasha. Her son oo, she come dey cry, dey scatter for everywhere, dey talk. Say abeg oo, she came before for peaceful. Say she no want wahala. The way she take come here that day, dem come pay Natasha bride price wey dem marry that day. Na so she take waka come now oo. Say she know say the man is not a biased person, but with what she's seeing now, make her son no come tie put on top of love matter. Say e don dey too much. Say abi na ukpumili, abi na wetin Two-Face dey take now wey make am e no even understand im son. One minute he's saying something, another minute he's saying another thing. Na im the man come talk say, that is what I am saying, that what they need right now is far different from what you are saying. If you talk say they no love each other, it's a different thing. If you talk say okay, maybe na the thing wey dey take, e dey make am they no understand theirself, it's another different thing. So they need to come so that we go know which one dey worry them. If na the one wey go carry them go rehab, make we know. If na the one wey be say we need to examine them, lock them up in a place or separate them, we will also know. If na the one wey be say they just need advice, make them go and see no more, we go also know. But to just jump into conclusion say na separation na im be their major this thing, say e no go fit talk that one oo. Say make dem go and do the needful. My people, una don see am say Two-Face don buy market like this oo. Market wey pass market na im buy like this. Na to comot for inside this market wey im buy now na im be the koko, because go front go back, no one wey gree go at all. My people, na the matter be this oo. They say Two-Face family wey dem go there, the elders and the mama wey dem go there, they were so disappointed. In tears na the mama take leave there, say na so im come support im son. E no know wetin im dey do, e support im son go. Say everly she never loved Natasha, she never supported their relationship, but she don just know what is that thing that made her to that made Two-Face to say that if im mama no support am, im go do im worst. Say na im she say talk, be the one wey the son go come disown her, e no go come get anything to do with her. E better make she just support am. After all, na im wan stay for the marriage. Now even to stay for the marriage now, e don dey become a thing of gombe. Say now her son need help. Say what will she now do? My people, make una come oo. Make una come advise Mama Two-Face. And wetin Isama Obini talk na the best be that. The both of them need to come and agree on a thing, make dem know what exactly they need to do to them. Abi the man too dey bias. Make una come, make we interact for the comment section. Do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share like for more like minds and more recommendation. I remain your humble girl, Gifted Gist. I'm the bring una latest. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.